Hi guys. So today I have a kitten on my chest and she's very cute. She also likes to it's okay. It's okay, I'm not putting you down. I'm not dropping you. But still, she is very nice. She also likes to latch on to poo. Her little poo. Well, it's my poo, but I love helping kittens learn. Now I just gotta put poo back down. Pick the camera back up. Very cute. Okay. Very cute. At all times. This is one of the 6 girls. This is Lily. You can tell because she has a black spot on the back of her foot, on the back of her back foot. She's so cute. So cute. And I just love this little one to pieces.